In this video, you will see super easy method to write mixed fraction in WPS Office Writer. Like this, it's very easy. What you have to do is first need to click on the Insert tab here, and under the Insert tab at the right hand side, you will see the option of Equation. This option is used to write mixed fraction. Just click on the drop down, a small triangle, and then click on Insert New Equation. Now as soon as you click on that option, you will see this box, and under the equation tools here, you have to go to the fraction. But here you won't see the mixed fraction option. So just select the first option, stacked fraction, and enter the numbers in the boxes. And now what you have to do is just press back on your keyboard multiple times until you get the cursor at the middle of this line, and then just type the number you want. Now remember, this is in italics, so you need to select everything and then go to the Home tab and then click on italics to remove the italics. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to WPS Office.